Okay, I will send the recordings today. Actually, the Sridhar sir will send recordings to your recordings in the group. Okay, so we will start. And today, actually, we almost completed our manuscript portion. Na? Manuscript portion means introduction of manuscript portion. So we learned just like how many vowels in Tibetan and how many consonants in Tibetan. And also we discussed about the origin of Tibetan script, how Tibetan script came, na? How the script of Tibetan language made by Thomisam Buddha. And after that, we learn prescript, postscript, na? Postscript, and uh, subscript and superscript. So almost we done everything. Uh, now we have still, including today, we have 3 days left. Na? So in last day, we will take small test. So be prepared for that one. And also these 2 days we will do practice, and I will introduce you guys. There are some dictionaries, and also there are some important links, है ना, to find the scriptures related to Buddhism. And also I will show you how to use those things, just like yesterday or day before yesterday, someone asked me about the link of transcription. Yeah. So somebody asked me about the link, how to do transcription, but still I don't have any link to transcript uh, Tibetan to Devanagari. But I have a link where we can do transcription of Tibetan to Roman. है ना? Just like I will also show you how to use those one. And also these days we have Tibetan keyboard in every laptops, every desktops, है ना? And every phones, iPads we have. And keyboard is very easy if you guys know how to type English, na? So if you are good in typing of English, you can easily type Tibetan alphabets in laptop also. So there are some indication of that one also, how, because in these days there are so many very few peoples who used to write Tibetan by hand. Mostly people used to okay, some send me the wait, chatting. Okay. Okay, thank you. This one is very important also. Thank you so much. In the chat box, Julia Saffron shared a link, Tibetan to Devanagari transcription, maybe. So today we will discuss about those things, na? But before that, we will do a brief practice, na, what we learn. So, okay. Hmm. So this is a mantra used in Tibetan community or Mahayana Buddhism. Uh, and also, yeah, this one is a mantra related to Buddhism. Avalokiteshvara mantra, we can say also. And can anyone try to read this one?
Om Mani Padme Hum.
Yes, yes. Om Mani
Mani
Padme
Mani
Padme
Hum.
Padme Hum.
So just like Om A डॉट नीचे था ऊपर था यहाँ पे
down.
यहाँ पे ना
Yeah.
पीछे
हम्म so this one is Om Mani Padme Hum है ना so the meaning of this mantra I hope everyone knows but still I will explain little bit na so in Tibetan we used to say that Om is a conjunction or compound word of three letters just like A and U and sorry M है ना so with the uh, these three letters together make Om है ना so these three letters indicates body mind doing he and speech yeah so there are mostly we used to say our body our mind and our speech is impure so we have to make those impure things to we have to convert those impure things to purity so money is used for ratna just like it's a जो नागमणि या जो भी है ये एक प्रकार का रत्न है दिस इज वन काइंड ऑफ रत्न है ना so obvious ratna we consider ratnas as precious things and pure things है ना so these three impure things we are converting like money, ratna, to purity, pure one, है ना? And Padma is used for wisdom, है ना? So we can make our these three things impure, these impure three things just like body, mind, and speech. And Padma is wisdom. How we can able to make them pure with wisdom है ना so we can make our body mind and speech pure with the wisdom so this mantra is for make our these three things pure so this mantra indicates that one so this is very basic mantra or starting मतलब mostly if mostly non-Buddhism people also know this mantra because this one is easy to pronounce and also famous. है ना? Mostly people just like I met some people from Punjab, from Haryana, and from Delhi. They also know this mantra and they says they are usually they ask me, "You are Buddhism?" Yes. Om Mani Padme Hum. This one is in their uh, mouth and they used to speak this very clearly. So this one is basic mantra. So we will so these kinds of mantra you will get in Buddhism. They used to write in Devanagari, but in Tibetan format, in Tibetan font, Tibetan script. Okay. And now I will show you some. Okay. Please try to pronounce this one. Anyone? No one? Okay. This is a letter where we have all the things. Just like this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one, obvious, this one. So this is prescript, okay? And this one is superscript. This one is subscript. This one is vowel. And this one is, actually I have to make this one post script, and here this one post script. है ना? So in Tibetan we have these kinds of letters also, these kinds of words also. So the pronunciation of I already told you that the pronunciation of prescripts, we don't pronounce prescripts in Tibetan language, है ना? So we have to pronounce this one. So already in yesterday's class, when we discussed about superscript, how we used to pronounce this one? Anyone, please try to pronounce this one now.
Ga.
G, है ना? And also, when we learn subscript, how we pronounce this one? In Tibetan, not in Sanskrit, Devanagari. We pronounce this one D, है ना? So this one is sagata G. G के उसमें अगर हम लोग रकार जोड़ेंगे, if we add R with G, so sagata G रहता D. So this one is D, है ना? तो D में अगर हमने ये जोड़ा है तो do, D would do. उसके बाद after that we have B. So D would do B, dub. So also yesterday in earlier classes I explained that we also don't have the pronunciation of post script, है ना? So these kinds of letters words we also have in Tibetan language.
Sir, can you please write the pronunciation in Roman?
Yes, I will write. So actually pronunciation is very simple. We will pronounce this one dub, D R U B, dub.
And
Actually,
what does it mean?
ये होता है होने के अर्थ में.
Okay.
होना मीन्स इंग्लिश में क्या कहेंगे? हैपन, है ना? सो दिस वन इज अ पास्ट फॉर्म, है ना? पास्ट फॉर्म. द फ्यूचर फॉर्म, जस्ट लाइक वी हैव like this, है ना? The pronunciation of this word is also dub, but here we have prescript her and don't have superscripts. And in past tense, we used to write this one. है ना? So these kinds of word also. Next word I will show you. है ना? D-A-T-H-A. How to read? How to pronounce this one?
Thagat.
तथागत.
Tathagata.
है ना? तथागत. ठीक है. So तथागत. What is the meaning of तथागत?
Gautam Buddha.
No, it's the name of Gautam Buddha, but there is a meaning behind the word. Na?
Came, has gone. Has came, has gone.
जैसे आए हैं वैसे जाने वाले या है ना, तो जो आया है या वो जाएगा, ये सब इंडिकेशन इसी वर्ड में मिलता है. सो तथागत. बट इन तिब्बतन वी राइट द ट्रांसलेशन ऑफ दिस वन तथागत. दे शिन देशिन शेकपा. है ना? सो द प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज वेरी इजी. दी. So here we have b prescript, है ना? So we don't have this pronunciation of b. So here, wait, Z-H-I-N, है ना? So here also we have prescript g. So we don't have to pronounce this one. Also we have here postscript. We don't have pronunciation of this one also. So we have to pronounce this one, these two. So can anyone try to pronounce these two things? Shek. है ना? Shekpa. So this one is the name of Buddha. And here Deshin Shekpa. Deshin means जैसे हैं, Shekpa वैसे जाना. तो ऐसे words भी आपको मिलेंगे right here ना. I told you this one. Why I write this name? Because in this name we have this kind of word. G prescript, sh में एक ही मात्रा, and g and s. And from here, sa is postscript, so we don't pronounce this one, and ga is prescript, we don't pronounce this one. So we pronounce only these two things. So in Tibetan, mostly in Tibetan language, only we have words in pronunciation, only two words, na, two letters. We pronounce only two letters. आपको ऐसे लंबे लंबे अक्षर भी मिलेंगे, just like before this one I show you drub. In drub there are so many compound words, na, but pronunciation in that word we pronounce only two letters, du, ba, dub. So these kinds of words we will get in Tibetan language. Okay, so today I will share that PDF with you, which and also I will also I will share, yeah, I will show you guys a textbook, है ना? ये है संस्कृत भाषा सोपानम. ठीक है, तो दिस वन इज अ बुक जिसमें आपको काफी कुछ, बट दिस वन इज इन हिंदी, written by Dr. Gurucharan Singh Negi. He is a professor in Lucknow University, Lucknow Sanskrit University, and this is a translation of Sanskrit grammar, and mostly little he translated here Maheshwar Sutra. He made formulas of Maheshwar Sutra in Tibetan, and also he made some just like yesterday in first class when I shared a PDF with you guys. Na, in there we have Devanagari consonants and vowels, है ना. In that picture वहां पे उन्होंने री की मात्रा के लिए ना अ, र और ई ऐसा लिखा हुआ था, ठीक है. इन दैट पिक्चर वी हैव री, दिस काइंड ऑफ री. बट इन दिस टेक्स्ट, है ना, इन दिस टेक्स्ट ही ट्रांसलेटेड, ही मेक ट्रांसक्रिप्शन वर्ड्स, है ना, एंड ही मेड दिस वन इज ये ऐसे करके उन्होंने री करके दिस वन जो री है, सॉरी री ऐसा होता है तो ना. सो इसके लिए उन्होंने ये वाला वर्ड दिखाया था. ओके, सो दिस आई हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ बुक आल्सो, एंड आई विल शेयर अ पीडीएफ. बट वो पीडीएफ मैं कल परसों से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ. इट्स अ लिटिल लार्ज, सो डिफिकल्ट टू शेयर इन ग्रुप, बट आई विल ट्राई टू शेयर.
सर एक क्वेश्चन है.
जी जी पूछिए.
जैसे आपने ये बड़ी ई की मात्रा निकाली है, ठीक है, तो ये ऐसी निकालनी चाहिए या छोटी ई की मात्रा निकाल कर नीचे वो टू जैसा जोड़ना चाहिए? व्हाट इज द करेक्ट वे?
ओके ओके ओके, वेट आई विल शो यू. आप ये पूछ रहे हैं ना, जैसे
हाँ
री की मात्रा के लिए, जैसे अभी हम
हाँ,
लोग
दीर्घ दीर्घ ई ईकार के लिए मैं पूछ रही हूँ कि छोटा ई, छोटी
अच्छा
ईकार.
दीर्घ इकार. मैम दीर्घ इकार के लिए तो ये बताया था ना हमने,
हाँ
जैसे
तो वो
ये करके यहाँ पे ई लिख के यहाँ पे हमको
सर स्क्रीन अप. हाँ हाँ हाँ
दिख रहा
हाँ
है ना.
हाँ हाँ सर,
तो
हाँ.
फॉर दीर्घ इकार वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्ड,
ओके.
है ना.
और ये
इफ वी,
ऐसा क्यों लिखा है यहाँ पे आपने?
हाँ ये जो है इसको दर्शाने के लिए, री को,
ओके,
ओनली फॉर शोइंग री.
ओनली फॉर री.
यस यस, है ना. अगर
ओनली फॉर
सेम,
श्री एंड री.
यस, इफ वी राइट ऐसा लिखते हैं अगर हम ना, इफ वी राइट लाइक दिस, दिस बिकम, ये बन
छोटी री,
जाएगा
ऑर्डिनरी री हो जाएगा. हाँ.
ऑर्डिनरी री. हाँ ये वाला, दिस काइंड ऑफ री, है ना, जो हम लोग ऐसा लिखते हैं. जैसे वी अगर हमको जैसे रीना लिखना है, ठीक है, इफ वी हैव टू राइट रीना, सो स्पेलिंग इज एन, रीना. तो उसमें हम लोगों को वी विल राइट लाइक री, बड़ी ई है, देन वी हैव टू मेक दिस वन, है ना. सो न आकार, है ना, दिस वन इज रीना, है ना. इफ वी हैव टू राइट ऋषि, है ना, ऋषि, this one is R, Rishi. So at for the Ri, we have to write R and make this kind, है ना. Or also we don't have Murdanyasha, so for Murdanyasha they made this one, the mirror image of Sh.
श्योर.
जो, हाँ, तो इसी के ऊपर हम लोग यहाँ पे ई लगा देंगे, है ना. तो ये आपका ऋषि बन जाता है. दिस वन इज योर ऋषि, है ना. तो ये डिफरेंस है री एंड री में.
यस सर, गॉट इट, थैंक यू.
सो आई एम शोइंग you another text which my screen is visible na. Did you see the PDF book here in screen? ये दिख रहा है आप लोगों को, है ना?
Yes,
दिस
sir.
बुक आई गेट इन, ये मेरे को ऑनलाइन मिला है ना? तो ये बहुत ही अच्छा बुक है. This one is very good book to learn Tibetan, and they just explain everything very clearly, है ना? जैसे मैंने अभी आप लोगों, I showed you a word ध्रुव, just like that we have another word cube, है ना? Here sa ka, with ka we have yakar and ga sa, है ना? These kinds of words also we have, and this one is for those also who want to learn grammars, literatures in future, because there are some rules where we have to add, just like there are in Tibetan. This book I will try to share with you guys na. So I will also, in this book we have some rules, just like we discussed about postscript, prescripts, na? Just like we have prescript, है ना? So there are some rules. The consonant, with which consonant we have to add है ना? अब ऐसा है कि जो the will not add with everyone. All the so they made some rules, just like in 30 consonants we have 30 consonants, है ना? So where we have to add so those rules are also indicated in this text. So this would be a basic grammar also for future students who want to learn. Okay, I will try to share in Google Drive also, है ना? I will try. Okay. हाँ, मैं ये बुक का लिंक भी शेयर कर सकता हूँ, बट ये मेरा PDF में मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, है ना? I will try, and yeah, now I will show you some just मेरा internet. Okay. So okay, next. स्क्रीन विजिबल है ना, ये जो अभी गूगल निकला है?
हाँ सर, विजिबल है.
सो सबसे पहले मैं आप लोगों को एक डिक्शनरी दिखाता हूँ, है ना? तिब्बतन इंग्लिश डिक्शनरी नॉर्मल वो है, इसका मैं लिंक आप लोगों से शेयर करूंगा. So this dictionary is very useful, and mostly the people who are working in translation, who are doing translation, and who used to work like in manuscripts also, for those we have their options, just like from English to Tibetan. But if not English, you can write English also, you can write Sanskrit in Roman transcription, and just like if I am searching here in English Bodhisattva, है ना? So I have to write BODHISATT. So here the word Bodhisattva came, है ना? So Jiangsu Senpai is the meaning of Bodhisattva, and also we will get the explanation and the different formats. In translation also we have to choose correct word with the sentence. So I will share this link also, and this is very easy, and just like here I write in Sanskrit, and also I can write in English, emptiness, है ना? So इंग्लिश वर्ड का भी आपको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा. सो वी कैन सर्च हियर Tibetan words, and also if we know Tibetan typing, है ना? So if we know Tibetan typing, so we can find also just like I will write okay, so English is not working here. If we know Tibetan typing, so we can find word Sangye. So Sangye is the word used for Buddha, है ना? So this is a important what to say, important link, na? Also, after that, I will show you another. This is the transcription link for how to transcript from Tibetan to Roman, है ना? So just I will write here some Tibetan words. Hint. So I write a word, sentence here, na? So we can convert this into Roman. Okay. Wait. Yeah, from Roman to Tibetan, not Tibetan to Roman. Actually, we have only these options here. So just like या जस्ट लाइक दिस, है ना? तो ऐसे करके हम लोग ये लिंक मिला है एंड स्टिल पर्सन शेयर्ड this link also. I will try to use this one also. Okay. So I think okay, I will check this one later, na? And also there are some catalogs, just like you all aware, Peking Tipitaka Otani, है ना? This one is a catalog. अब जैसे यहाँ पे आप लोगों को कोई text search करना है ना, if you want to search any text, if you know the name, just like yesterday. Just like day before yesterday, someone asked me this one, Padarth Chandrika, commentary of Chandra Nandan, है ना? So just like we know the name Padarth Chandrika. So here in this, if you want to search the Tibetan commentary, Tibetan translated commentary, na, we have to go to Sanskrit title and Padarth, Padarth Chandrika. So search this kind. Okay. So Padarth Chandrika, है ना? Here we got the Sanskrit full name, Padarth Chandrika, Prabhasha Naam Ashtang Hridaya Vivritti. So just copy this here and another link, adarsh.org. This one is the famous link, yeah, popular link. Now most of the scholars, Tibetan scholars, use this link. Here you can get Kangyur, Tengyur, and Sungbum, and also Bon. There is a Sampradaya, Bon Sampradaya, before the Buddhism arrived in Tibet. Before that, there's another tradition. There's another culture. That one is called Bon. So there is another culture very similar to Buddhism, but they have their own Buddha, different Buddha, and they have their own Shastras also, teachers also, na? So Bon, some Yungdung Bon Sampradaya also. So here, just I copied from the Peking. Okay. So here we will get the text, na? So just like this, Dege Tengyur. So this one is the transcription, commentary of Padartha Chandrika in Tibetan, है ना? Just wait. Okay. I will share this link with the. Okay, I will share this link in group right now. Okay. Yeah, this one is the link. Padarth Chandrika I shared there. So yeah, this kind of format you will get in this link. These are mostly not the text right now written the new scholars, but the previous scholars and comment, just like Kangyur. We have two kinds of text in Buddhism. One is Kangyur, one is Tengyur, है ना? So Kangyur is related to Buddha's Vachana, है ना? Mostly what Buddha said himself, what Buddha taught himself, है ना? The scholars, the students, they used to write down those things later. When Buddha alive, at that moment he don't, there are no texts available, na? After Buddha get parinirvana, mahaparinirvana, after that the in first council they made Vinaya and Dulva, these kinds of texts, है ना? So at that time they in just like Vinaya and Abhidhamma, they made Buddha's teachings. In Vinaya, Buddha just the rules made by Buddha at that time, and they wrote down those in a text. They made a format of a text for monks and nuns, and also the scholars who did commentary on those texts. Just like there are so many commentaries in of Abhidhamma, there are so many commentaries of Vinay, है ना? So those are in Tengyur. Gyur means translation, है ना? Gyur means change. So Kangyur is the translation of Buddha's Vachana. Tengyur is the translation of commentaries or other things related to Buddha's teachings, है ना? So these two kinds of philosophical texts, we can say texts, and we can say group of texts, we have in Tibetan. And so just like mostly most of the Tibetan scholars learn all these things. Okay, so I want to I thought that these are important links. I will try to share. And for those who used to use Sanskrit or also BHS, Buddhist Hybrid Sanskrit, there is a dictionary, Monier-Williams dictionary. Yeah, this one is Monier-Williams dictionary, है ना? So wait, I think my internet connection is not so good. So I will share this link also, है ना? Here with this link, you can find Tibetan translation. No, sorry, not Tibetan translation. Just like Buddhist terms, है ना, used in Devanagari. Just like there are so many terms in Buddhism which made in later periods, and they add in Sanskrit. That's why we have to learn BHS, Buddhist Hybrid Sanskrit also, na, to learn Buddhism in Sanskrit. So these kinds of links, important links, I will share with you. And also I will send you some pictures of dictionaries and other texts, and you can purchase from online, just like Amazon we have. And also yeah, I will share those links also with you, है ना? Okay, so these are important links I want to share with you. So I want to show also, na? Okay, now we will move to our next steps. Okay. So now we will do practice, na? Just turn on your mic. I will ask to pronounce this. Pronounce. Which letter is this? Can anyone pronounce?
Ha.
Sorry?
Ha.
Not her.
Sir, it is j and her. Conjunct of j and her. J.
Yeah, so
J.
j, हाँ,
J.
है ना?
Hmm.
This one is j. Just that's why I am giving revision, na? Okay. Which letter is this?
So, sorry, T.
This one is t. Okay. Just the pronunciation of this letter?
Meow.
Sorry?
Meow. Meow.
Meow,
And
meow.
meow.
Yeah, Maya is in Devanagari, but what
Devanagari. Sir.
transcription of Tibetan? In Tibetan, we pronounce this one nya. है ना?
Yeah, okay.
Nya. Yesterday or day before yesterday, we discussed about this, na? Yeah, so just remember these things. Okay. Pronounce this one.
Adarsha.
Yes. है ना? This one is Adarsh. Okay. Yeah, try to read this sentence. Sandhya ma'am?
Sir, I think so many pre and post scripts are there, so I'm
No,
bit
no,
confused.
no, this, okay, yeah, I made,
I
okay.
think so. I'm not
No,
very
no,
sure.
this one is a Sanskrit translation, ma'am. In Sanskrit, we don't have prescript and postscript, na?
Okay, sir.
Yes, yes,
Just 1 minute.
yes, we have to
First
pronounce.
is Om,
Yes.
A, Whom,
Hmm.
Vajra,
Hmm.
Guru,
Hmm.
Padma,
Hmm.
um, that is C, Re, Siddha, Siddha,
Siddhi.
Siddhi.
Siddhi, sorry, Siddhi,
Yes.
Siddhi, whom?
Hmm. J. So, Guru.
Om Vajra Guru Prema Siddhi Om.
Yes, yes, but not Pema, Padma. Pema is a Tibetan pronunciation. Na? The Tibetan people used to pronounce this one Pema, but actual pronunciation is Padma. Padma is the flower, na? Lotus flower. Okay. Okay, I will make dots in every way. Okay. Now this one. Okay, okay. Sorry, sorry. Here also we have this one. Yeah, now pronounce this one.
Again.
Hmm?
Padma Sambhava.
Yes.
It is same. Padma Sambhav.
Hmm. अब इसमें कौन सा रहेगा वो बताइएगा ना. जैसे which one is correct? First one is the Padma.
भ नहीं भ भालू वाला भ.
Hmm. ये रहेगा.
Sir.
Which one is the correct transcription of this one?
Last one,
Sambhav.
sir.
Yes, last one. Na?
Hmm.
So these kinds of word we will get in transcriptions also. Na? So, okay. Now, yeah, it's good. Now you can, you are able to read Tibetan words, Tibetan transcription words. Na? Now I will write Tibetan words. Okay. Yeah, try to read this one. So what we pronounce this one? Yesterday we discussed about this one, na? This one I told you yesterday, pronunciation goes here.
ना
है ना? So nga के ऊपर o की मात्रा. Over here we have the sign of o. So nga o ngo na ngon, है ना? So we will pronounce this one N-G-O-N, ngon. So after that, this one the easiest, na?
Do.
Do. And this one is prescript. We don't have pronounced this one. So
Yes.
you
gyur. This one is postscript. We have to pronounce these two things, है ना? And B, A, ba. Ngondu, gyurba.
मैं नहीं
And try to read this one. Please try this one, na? I will write another one.
Dune.
Anyone? Janvi ma'am, can you try to read this one?
Dune.
Actually, this one is pa, है ना? So when we get this kind of words, na, first we have to recognize upper ones. So yesterday, because this one is superscript, na, upper one is this one is superscript, and in the condition of superscript, we will pronounce only this this letter. This one is also silent. Okay. So yesterday I told you that sa, pa, so we will pronounce this one as a P-A, है ना? And if we have, so now this one is P-A, ना? तो P-A, if we have yakar here, है ना? So according to Tibetan language, है ना, we will pronounce this one ch, just like when we discussed about yakar, pa, yata, this is for ch. And after that, another word for this one is ch, है ना? C-A-C-H-A. And bhayata, this one is j, है ना? J-A. Pronunciation of these things are this kind of pronunciation we have in Tibetan, not Devanagari. Yeah, according to Devanagari, you are saying right. प्य, है ना? सब प्य हो जाएगा अगर इसको हम लोग उसमें भी करते हैं, बहुत ही डिटेल में अगर करते हैं. If we going in detail in Devanagari, this one is sapya, but in Tibetan we will pronounce this one cha, and this one na, chana, chen. So pronunciation of this one is C-A-N, chen, है ना? And this is the respected word of I. है ना? I will okay. ठीक है?
सर वो
जी, जी.
आखिरी का जे ज कैसे लिखा है वो ज और छ कैसे लिखा है, व्हाट्स द डिफरेंस? मतलब
Yeah, it's because of subscript, ना, because of the use of subscript. जैसे जब
नहीं
हम
नहीं
लोग सब वही बता रहा हूँ।
वो मैं, हाँ, ओके। आपने लिखा कैसे? वो लिखने का स्टाइल नहीं समझा।
अच्छा, ये वाला।
हाँ हाँ।
ओके ओके।
तो
ये
और ज का से।
सेम, जस्ट लाइक
इस
वी
पो।
हैव, जैसे हमने प लिखा था ना,
हम्म
तो उसी के नीचे जो य का वो है डिजाइन है,
हम्म हम्म।
तो उसी को उसके बाद जैसे फ लिखना है।
अच्छा, फो है वो, ओके।
हाँ, ये
हाँ
फ
हाँ हाँ
है,
हाँ
और
हाँ।
फ के नीचे हमने य का डिजाइन डाला है। एंड आफ्टर
ओके।
दैट वी हैव ब।
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
ब के नीचे जो है य का ये वाला स्ट्रक्चर बनाना है। सो
ओके।
दिस वन इज च, दिस वन इज छ, है ना, एंड दिस वन इज
हम्म
ज। Okay.
ओके, थैंक यू सर, थैंक
So
यू।
from in here, na, we have pa, sapatapa. The pronunciation of upper one is sapatapa, and we add yakar with pa. We will pronounce this one cha, है ना? So cha na chen. Chen is I. I means that one is I is used for respect. Just like we don't say in Tibetan, just like my teacher's I, है ना? We have another word is mig, है ना? ये भी I के लिए होता है, ठीक है, आंखों के लिए, है ना? सो दिस वन इज MIG, है ना? सो वी विल नॉट से दैट माय टीचर्स आई मीन्स माय टीचर्स मिग. We will not use this word for our respected ones. We will use this one, chen. My teacher's chen. Just like that's why na, in Tibetan we have so many different words which is used according to the common people, according to the elder ones, respected ones. Na? So we have so many things. That's why just like if we learn Tibetan script, sorry, if we know English, है ना, English, if we learn English script, we will write what we are used to saying, say, है ना, what we are using in our conversation. Just like if I am saying I am sick, I will write I am sick, है ना, but and also my teacher is sick, I will write my teacher is sick. But in Tibetan, for me I am sick, है ना, तो वहां पे जैसे सिक के लिए एक वर्ड रहता है नेत, है ना, nga नतपाहीन। और जैसे मैं उसी को यूज करूंगा, आई विल यूज नतपा टू माय टीचर, आई विल नॉट यूज नद, आई विल यूज न्यू. So these kinds of words, we have different words have to use accordingly, just like respected one or normal people, na? Okay. So next one, I wrote down this one, na? Mig, sorry. Yeah, try to read this one. I will indicate this one is prescript, है ना? We don't have to pronounce this one. This one is postscript. We don't have to pronounce this one. Migul, है ना? The meaning of migul is aim, है ना? So what is your aim? What is your aim? अनि क्योंकि migul ganghin, है ना? Okay. So why I write this one? Because the pronunciation is of this word and pronunciation of this word, these are similar, na, mig, but with the prescript postscript the meaning of this word will different, and without prescript or postscript the meaning is different, है ना? So there is another word.
Sir, the last two words, last two letters, they are postscripts or
These two,
last
you are saying
last
about
two
these two, na?
letters? Yeah, huh?
No, actually these are different word, na. After
Okay.
dot we have
Okay.
different
It's
words.
after dot. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
yes. So try to read this one.
Ming.
What is the meaning of Ming? Simarjit ji, maybe you know the meaning of Ming.
I guess name.
Name, है ना? Okay, so this one is name, है ना? But this one is this word is used for common people, है ना? जैसे मैं मेरे दोस्तों को पूछूंगा, if I am asking my friends, what is your name? At that time, I will use this word. If I am asking a superior one, just like my teacher, just like you are working in a class, your superior officials, and you are asking their name. At that moment, you have to use this word in Tibetan, Sen, Sen, है ना? Because my is prescript, we don't have pronounced this one, so this will be Sen, है ना? So these kinds of words we have in Tibetan, okay? And now I will show you some important signs. Just like in Devanagari, we used iti, shri, है ना? Before the starting any text, we use these kinds of words, है ना? But in Tibetan, we have a structure. है ना? These two have to go straight, है ना? This kind of structure, this kind of a design, we have to make in Tibetan before we will start any text, है ना? So after that we will write a letter, and when you finish a sentence, है ना? जैसे English में full stop रहता है, just like in English we have full stop, है ना? So in Tibetan, also in Devanagari, in Hindi, we have Puran Viram, है ना? In Tibetan, we have a sign like this. Small head stroke and go straight down. This kind of sign we used in Tibetan as a full stop or Puran Viram, है ना? Full stop. ठीक है? And we don't have commas, we don't use inverted commas, and commas in we don't have in Tibetan format. Okay, these two things are important. And also just like in verse section, in Tibetan we also have verse section, and the rules of verses are same as संस्कृत ग्रामर्स, है ना? जैसे संस्कृत में अनुष्टुप छंद रहते हैं, है ना? तो वैसे ही जस्ट लाइक इन संस्कृत वी हैव छंदास, है ना? अनुष्टुप छंद एंड नाउ हाँ, yes, like different kinds of chandas, na? Like that we have in Tibetan also, just like in Sanskrit we have if we writing a verse, if in first line we have 8 words, so in second lines we also have to make 8 words, है ना? So just like following that rule we made in Tibetan also. And after the verse, है ना, when we write a verse, we write something in first line we have to make single line, okay? And when we made when we complete when we are writing second line, we have to add 2 lines, है ना? And when the verse will end, we have to make this kind of structure, and we have to write numbers here, just like this is Devanagari one, है ना? So okay, today we discussed about important links, है ना? And some important signs, and also did revision, है ना? So do your revision properly, and tomorrow I will show you how to write numericals, numbers, है ना? 1 to 10. And after that, mostly we had complete our yeah, tomorrow mostly we will complete our coursework and for related to script. So day after tomorrow, on 25 we will meet and we will take a small test, है So test will be online. I will make a question sample and I will send you in group, and you have to write down, and maybe we will take 15 minutes, 20 minutes or half hour, and you have to do solve those things, and just day after tomorrow we will do that one, and after that our course is complete. So okay, if any questions you can ask. We will take we can take 5 minutes more, and after that we will stop. No questions?
Thank you, sir. Thank
Yeah,
you.
okay. If there's no questions, and we can stop here, and we will meet tomorrow. Okay. So best of luck and do
Thank you,
it
sir.
properly. Good night.